In this video, we will explore why we procrastinate and give you practical tips and tricks to help you stop procrastinating. Procrastination is a common problem that affects many people. It can lead to stress, anxiety, and missed opportunities. So, let's dive in and figure out how to stop procrastinating once and for all. The first step in overcoming procrastination is understanding why we do it. One reason is fear of failure. We may put off starting a task because we are afraid we will not do it well. Another reason is lack of motivation or interest in the task. We may find the task boring or unimportant and therefore not feel motivated to begin. Finally, some people simply enjoy the rush of working under pressure and put things off until the last minute. Now that we understand why we procrastinate, here are some practical tips and tricks to stop it. First, break the task down into smaller, manageable steps. This makes it less overwhelming and easier to start. Second, set a specific goal and deadline for completing the task. Third, remove distractions such as social media or television while working on the task. Fourth, reward yourself for completing the task on time. And finally, be kind to yourself. It's okay if you slip up and procrastinate occasionally. The important thing is to recognize it and get back on track. Procrastination can be a difficult habit to break, but with practice and perseverance, anyone can do it. By understanding why we procrastinate and implementing practical tips and tricks, we can overcome procrastination and achieve our goals. So, go ahead and tackle that task you've been putting off. You've got this.